12 Science Biology Menstrual cycle or ovarian cycle. The cycle is divided into four phases. First, menstrual phase. Second, follicular phase. Third, ovulatory phase. Fourth, secretory phase. Menstrual phase. The beginning of each cycle is taken as the first day where menses or loss of blood about 45 to 100 ml take place and last for approximately 5 days, average 3 to 7 days. The endometrium of uterus break down under the effect of hormones, decrease the progesterone and estrogen. Due to this, blood, tissue, fluid, mucus, endometrial lining and unfertilized oocyte is discharged through the vagina. The endometrial lining becomes very thin, that is about 1 mm. The menstrual discharge continue for an average of 5 days. This blood does not clot due to the presence of fibrinolysin. Menstrual phase occur when the ovulated eggs does not get fertilized and it is therefore shed along with the menstruum. The follicle phase. This phase is duration between of the end of menstruation and release of ovum, or that is the ovulation. Duration of this phase more variable than other phases. Generally, it extends from 5 to 13 days of menstrual cycle. A few 6 to 12 secondary follicles proceed to develop, but usually one of them develop into graphene follicle, that is the mature follicle. The other secondary follicles are degenerate. The developing secondary follicle secrete the hormones of estrogen and stimulate of the proliferation of new follicles and influenced by the hormones stimulate release of FSH. The endometrium begin to regenerate under the effect of gradually increase the quantity of estrogen. Regeneration also involves formation of endothelial cells. Endothelial or uterine glands are network of the blood vessels. Thickness of endometrium reach about 3 to 5 mm. Ovulatory phase. It is the shortest phase of the menstrual cycle. It involves the rupture of the mature Graafian follicle and release sperm into the pelvic cavity, usually on the 14th day of menstrual. Rapid secretion of LH and positive feedback mechanism because of the mature follicle to rupture. The ovulation may be accomplished by mild or severe pains in the lower abdomen. Secretory phase. Duration of this phase between the ovulation and beginning of the next menses. This phase is the longest phase. It lasts for 14 days from the 15 to 28 days of the cycle. After the release of secondary oocyte, remaining tissue Graafian follicle transform into the corpus luteum under the effect of LH. Corpus luteum begin to secrete the progesterone and estrogen. The ovulated egg may get fertilized within 24 hours. However, in the absence of fertilization, corpus luteum can be survive for only 2 weeks and then degenerate and white scar called corpus albicans. The corpus albicans release the progesterone, small amount of estrogen in inhibit under the influence of the hormones. The endometrial glands grow, become coil and start uterine secretion. Endometrium becomes more vascularized and thickness up to 8 to 10 mm. Inhibit stop the secretion of FSH. These changes are necessary for the fertilization and implantation. However, the ovulated eggs get fertilized and the embryo is implanted. There is secretion of the human chronic gonadotropin, which extend life of corpus luteum and stimulate the secretion activity. Presence of growth hormone blood, which is the indicator of the pregnancy of absence of fertilization next menstrual cycle.